once again, 7 years later, let's have a look at another little project which me and Tina undertook. This is the bath panel. There it is, look. After 7 years, it's still in absolutely perfect condition. And we've rented this house out in the interim period. Nice, solid, sturdy, still looks absolutely fantastic. This project, once again, cost less than 50 quid. It took us a weekend to do. Looks absolutely fantastic, less than 50 quid. And once again, that was done by two people, myself and Tina, who had very little experience doing DIY stuff, but we're prepared to have a go. Okay, we're prepared to have a go and just give it a whirl. We learned a lot from it. And once again, it was done at an absolutely bargain cost. Lovely job, Lee.